Did you know that scientists just made chicken in a lab without using a single real chicken? And the government said it's totally safe to eat. Here's how this crazy science works. Scientists take real animal cells and put them in special machines called bioreactors. These machines feed the cells everything they need to grow into actual meat. It's like growing a plant, but instead, you're growing chicken. Two companies called Upside Foods and Good Meat are leading this revolution. When people tried their lab-grown chicken in blind taste tests, they couldn't tell the difference from regular chicken at all. The best part? This technology could save our planet. It uses 96% less land and creates 95% fewer greenhouse gases than regular farming. Right now, this lab chicken costs more than $50 per pound, so it's super expensive. But scientists think it'll get cheaper soon and might even solve world hunger one day. Imagine a future where we can eat all the meat we want without hurting animals or destroying the environment. That future just became real.